Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix FC26 not launching. So the most common mistake people do with exit lag. So we need to go to general settings, then here you look for, if you're using of course exit lag, you need to go to redirection method and select NDYS legacy and install NDYS. And then look if the problem persists after you restart exit lag if you use one. Next up, what you need to do here, depending where you have FC26, I have on EA app, but on Steam it will be pretty similar. You need to just find the game in the library, press on the three dots, view properties. First thing what I suggest to do here is to open a folder, then look for FC26exe, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, and then compatibility. Make sure to disable full screen optimization and run this program as admin. And also when you go back, you can also press on the three dots and repair some files, so maybe some files are corrupted. Also make sure that GPU drivers is fully updated. There is no update. For me there is, so I need to download it and restart my computer, and after that I need to look if the problem persists after I update my GPU. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open a browser, and then you just need to write Microsoft Visual C++ and click on Microsoft link, then scroll down until you see a as you can see here, download page, and then download both Redists here. And wait until download process is done. And after that, simply install them like a normal setup. It will take a few seconds to do so. You will basically, maybe the Microsoft C++ Visual is causing the problem. Okay, so this is the third step. Next up, you just need to write on Google EA anti-cheat and go to how to install and troubleshoot EA Javelin anti-cheat on PC. Next up, what we need to do here, we need to look for download EA Javelin anti-cheat installer. Then you need to save it to desktop. And we just need to wait until it installs. Once it's installed, then go to the client where you have the game. In my case is this. Then you need to go on the personal three dots, view properties, open folder, and then you need to look for EA games here. So copy the path, and then you need to open EA anti-cheat that we just downloaded here. And then you just need to paste the link, or simply go to FC26, and then you will see these options here, and press repair. Then put that particular basically link that we just copied, and then just select FC26 and let repair your game. So wait until you see repairs install success. Okay, if it's not working, then press uninstall, wait until uninstall process is done, then launch the game and look if the problem persists after that. Also, and after that, if it's not working, try to unplug any external devices like steering wheels, controllers, or whatever you are connected to that particular PC. Another thing that you need to do here is to disable all the overlays. So Discord uses overlay, Steam uses overlay, NVIDIA app uses overlay. So try to disable all the overlays because it can cause this problem. Another thing, apps. If using apps like MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, or others like Revast or DS4 Windows, you need to also disable them and just simply remove from your PC, and it should fix your problem. The game should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like, subscribe for more. Take care.